So here we are, backyard, Tony Teolis's backyard here, May 27, 2018. Wanted to get some nice captures here of what it looks like before I go ahead and cover it up with the clay-like formula I've got to do to protect it from all kinds of bugs and critters and mold and mildew. I got my peaches coming in. Got peaches coming in over there. I got a little bit of kiwi coming in for the first time in 6 years just behind there. I got to spray all of this. It's going to turn white clayish, and then I have to tie it all back in. It's not going to look as pretty as it does right now. So I just wanted to capture a little bit of this. And the same will happen in the front yard too. But I've learned it's going to be necessary. And I'll come in and I'll mulch a lot back there with a lot of cuttings here from these grapevines.